Hello friends, how are you? Uh, Today talk about it skills of freelancing. Freelancing is a basic and great skill graphic design. Graphic design, if you are in the freelance design business, you can feel good knowledge that the growth prediction are bright. Graphic design is a skill that has always thrived on freelancing and will continue to be a hugely attractive skill this year as the demand for website or marketing, collateral, and product creation continue apace. Much of this growth will be specifically targeted at freelance designers with companies and startup looking for strong, reliable talent that is willing to work on demand. And the next skill, writing and editing. The writing profession is largely romanticized as a starving artist or creative hermits hold away from society while working on the next great American novel. That may be true for some fiction writers, but there are also a massive world of commercial writing that includes everything from web content to technical manuals to a journalism, grant writing, and advertising, copyright, and all of these has to be arranged and corrected by editors. And the next skill, web design. Web design has been rolling the freelance job market for quite some time and its position will remain unchanged over coming years. Business small and large that do not have a significant presence on the internet will find survival difficult in coming years. Hence, there is a rush of sorts to have one or more websites. Web designers create the look and layout of web pages. Their skills in demand in many types of organizations from charities to startups giving you flexibility to work on high impact projects. Website development. The world of web development experience content transformation every year, whether it's related to tools, service, coding, language, or design. And with every year, new trends and technologies emerge to evolve the way developers work independent. Web developers are far more likely to reskill and provide expertise in emerging development trends including artificial intelligence, voice search, integration, and chatbots. Virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant requires no specialized training or certification, so it's one of the most attractive options for freelance newbies. The potential client base is quite large: entrepreneurs, coaches, executives, authors, etc. in a variety of industries. They all need assistance with administrative tasks like appointment setting, email handling, travel, logistics, and so on. Video production and creation. With our attention spans decreasing rapidly, video viewing has become an increasingly important part of our lives, so YouTube and other video sharing platforms are only increasing the popularity and content creation are now optimizing video to their specific audience plus the power of visual appeal in a new ball game and one that cannot be beat. So it does not come as a surprise that video production and creation is a popular skill that is going to be in demand in 2020. You don't have to be an expert in creating exciting video, but the basic knowledge will take you a long way, especially in your freelancing career. Accounting and bookkeeping. Accounting and bookkeeping are shrouded in mysterious of my most people. No thanks to the complex tax and business laws in most countries, while different kinds of finance software are now in the market, companies still need qualified professionals who know how to use these tools and the rule to follow. Plus, many startups and SMBs would love to hand off their bookkeeping tasks so that they would focus on their core business. If you have the skill and qualification to tackle accounting and bookkeeping, you can charge a competitive rate as a freelancer. Excellent spreadsheets. While most people are familiar with this Microsoft software staple, manipulating data beyond simple SQL formula often requires the work of a professional. If pivot table and VLOOKUPs are your jam, you have a great opportunity to get hired to tutors or scrums, analyze and glean fruitful results from complex queries for clients. And if you are not an expert, but it's really not rocket science, you can learn advanced Excel functions in a matter of weeks. All you need is an analytical mind to an eye for detail and a willingness to take up course like this one. Illustrator. Illustration. Many corporate brands are moving away from stock imagery and using illustration due to its offered softer, more playful approach. Illustrator is a more interesting way to display content and feel more personal, which is important in an age where consumers are demanding transparency and the human touch. And last talk about it, finding the right gig for your skills. Right gig is the most important for the freelance platform. Moonlighting has redesigned the freelance marketplace to provide job tools and benefits that help you save on things you need to work better and make more money. Plus, more than 1 million new jobs created for independent work with no commission or bidding fees. Showcase your unique skills and attract new clients by listening the service you provide. Join the amazing community of freelancers and solopreneurs, changing how American works on Moonlight. And share. Bye.
Señor, señor.